Hey everybody, welcome back to Gas Holes Garage. This is Pat. As you can see, Jeremy's not here today. I'm off work for a couple weeks on vacation, trying to get some things done around the shop. And like we talked about in a previous video, I want to move the Bronco and the Duster out and get the Porsche up here so it's easier to work on without putting it on the rotisserie again, now that the motor's in it. So I'm also joined by Garrett from Ranch and Hot Rods. Some of you may have seen his videos. He's gonna lend a hand today and maybe do a little filming himself. So I'll probably put it on slow-mo here in a little bit, and the plan is I wanna roll it out so I can actually work on it, see if it runs. It did run before it was parked, it didn't run when parked. So it might be a little bit to get it running, but we'll see, we'll go from there. Excited, catch you in a minute. Nice and full, clean. Perfect. What?
All right, folks, so where we're at now is we're trying to figure out what is going on right here because the wiring is different from stock. So we're trying to figure this out. Under the dash is a relay. The relay's clicking, but nothing's getting to the solenoid. So we're just trying to work our way through.
And the wiring is a total mess.
Yeah, we do know that we got bad battery cables. I mean, this is our ground and it's completely shot. Our hot looks to be good, so
that's why we run the jumper cables from the negative battery to the block.
Yep, and whenever we jumped it, it did work. From here to there to the solenoid, it did turn over. So we're just trying to work this through. Neither one of us are Ford guys, right?
All right, so what's going on now is, you can't really tell in the slow-mo, but we got it out. I don't know if you can see it in the video either, but this is the ground wire. It's in bad shape. So I ran a jumper cable from the battery ground to the motor. And when we turned the key, we got no power out here. Just relays clicking, the wiring's a mess. And so yeah, we gotta trace that down and see where the probable rodent damage is. So that gets you all caught up. But the motor does spin over. The fuel pump is working. And yeah, we'll see if we can get power. It should fire.
It moved, but only got to about 5 PSI.
All right, so here we go. We got power. I dumped a little premix in the carburetor. Should be enough to just see if it pops.
So it's weed whacker fuel from 1980, right?
Maybe. You wanna sit inside and turn the key on, hold your foot on the brake just in case? And give it a little gas? All right. Ready?
Yep.
Huh?
She might want a lot.
She might. Okay, pump it. You got the key on, right?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yep.
Maybe we're not getting spark. Gas, some more gas in there, and gonna give it a try. Ready?
Indeed.
All right. Now, let's try the electric fuel pump again.
On.
I think it's out of gas. Pump it. Nothing. Yeah, it might just be out of gas. Let's do it one more time with the weed whacker fuel since I'm almost out anyway. You ready?
Yep.
Woo! That shot a flame out.
Yes. That's all the light off your freaking liquid over here.
All right, go ahead and shut that fuel pump off. All right, so now I'm gonna stuff some gas in the tank and see if that'll get enough in there to keep it running.
Indeed.
Now, let's try the electric fuel pump again.
Oh yeah, soon. There's an on, and there's an on.
All right, now we got a couple gallons of gas in it. I'm gonna try it again. Go ahead and hit the fuel pump. Pump it. Nothing. I'm gonna spin it over. Maybe that pump doesn't have enough suction. Ready?
Yeah.
Again. Nope. All right, let me turn it off. Well, kind of strange that the pump worked and then it didn't.
What's that?
Kind of strange that the pump worked and then it didn't.
Yeah, but it was weak when it did work.
Well, it's a carburetor, you're only gonna get a couple pounds.
Yeah.
I think it's probably, it's either 3 or 5 to 7. 3 to 5, 5 to 7.
That's still pretty. So it's not like it's not like the fuel shot out of it. It came out like
Yeah.
straight.
Yeah. All right, well, 2 hours later, and we think we got it to where it'll run and sound good, and we'll go from there, see what it does. All right, you ready? Yep. Key on? Key on. Here we go. Help from my friend Garrett here. We got it running, and don't sound too bad. Keep in mind that's some really old gas in there too. Now you've got to admit that sounds pretty good. This thing hasn't run in a little over 10 years. Hold that. Time for the tripod. All right, well here we are, got it running. This thing's been sitting for 11 years. And yeah, sounds pretty dang good. Take you back to the back so you can hear the exhaust. Definitely got a nice sound to it. And it even goes forward and backward and stops. Gotta love it. There you have it. It's been what, 11 years since this thing ran, and fired right up and ran. Not too many issues, just a couple leaks in the carburetor. Got those mostly resolved, and the key switch doesn't work. So yeah, she's running good. Thanks for watching.